Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're actually going to be jumping into a new to me skincare tool. This was sent to me, but this is not sponsored. I'm not being paid for this. I am not being, this is not an ad at all. But the product was sent to me and I really wanted to feature it because I've been using it for about 2 weeks and I am currently loving it. So we're going to be doing a full demo, talk through, review of the UFO 2 from Foreo. It is a mask system. They sent me masks, they sent me the machine, and I think I'm in love. So if you want to see all the details and why I'm loving this fabulous product, make sure to keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week, and that's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to mask with me, hang out while we talk through an awesome product, and just chill, stay tuned. Okay, so first we're going to talk through the product itself. I'm going to put some details on the screen. This is in the shade Mint, which is actually a blue one, and this was not planned, it just happened. The UFO 2 itself is meant to do like an expedited mask. So you guys know with like a traditional sheet mask, you put it on your face, you sit there for 20 minutes. This cuts the time down, so I was able to do a full 20-minute mask system in 90 seconds. That's it. Plus, built in addition to just distributing the mask, it uses LED, it uses thermal technology, so it heats up and cools down, and probably the coolest part is also pulsate, so there's vibration, because as you guys know, I've used my PMD cleansing tool, which does vibrate, over my sheet masks, because that vibration helps the skin to absorb it. So this puts all of those benefits in one. Today I'm going to be doing the Make My Day Hydrating and Anti-Pollution Red Algae Mask with you. I have now used this device 5 times. This is going to be number 6. They sent me the Call It a Night mask and the Make My Day mask. These come in 7 packs. And first thing I did was I downloaded the app on my phone. So I'm going to click the Foreo app. And I'm going to screen record now so you guys can see exactly what I see. So we have the Foreo app. I'm going to hit start. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds. I'm going to press and hold. Perfect. Start. So it's going to ask me to scan the barcode, which I will do right here.
Secure the UFO activated mask to your device by clipping the attachment ring into place with the Foreo logo facing up.
So the first time I did this, I was unsure how to put it in, but you'll notice that there is a little indent. So I'm going to put that right on the top of the mask. And then once we are secured and in place, I'm going to pop the ring back on. Whatever's on my fingers, just going to rub it on my face because why not waste it? Now I'm going to hit start and it's going to light up and start buzzing.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly.
Allow your mind and body to slowly awaken as the red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex. Relax and enjoy a soothing facial massage as T-sonic pulsations infuse moisture into your skin for a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. As the warmth gradually decreases, the anti-pollution formula is locked into skin, while the green LED helps reveal a brighter, more even skin tone for an all-day glow.
You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed.
Your smart mask treatment is now complete. If you'd like, you can repeat the treatment. Otherwise, dispose of the UFO activated mask and rinse your device under running water.
Okay, so it is done. You'll see the serum is actually really well adjusted into the skin. Like this, my skin is not wet. On the device itself, which I am going to just click off first. Next thing I'm going to do, you just pull the ring out, remove the mask, and then just rinse this underwater, nice and easy. The reason that I didn't shave today, normally you guys know before skincare videos I do shave, but I wanted to show you that even if I'm not clean shaven, it doesn't like shed the mask or leave white fuzzies everywhere. This stays in like solid no matter what. I have that issue with a lot of like cotton rounds where they will almost shed and get stuck in any facial hair I have. So now that we're done with the actual application, a few more things on the mask themselves. So the mask I used today, again, was the Make My Day Hydrating and Anti-Pollution with Hyaluronic and Red Algae. This is like your Wake Me Up, Get Ready for the Day mask. The evening mask is the Call It a Night, which is revitalizing and nourishing, which is ginseng and olive oil. Calming, soothing, and it's going to help to stimulate your overnight repair, whereas the morning treatment is meant to keep bad crap out of your skin and boost hydration. Like, you guys can already see the difference in glow between before and after, and I didn't cut, I didn't change any footage. We jumped right into it. So a few more things I just want to go over. Now, this machine, you guys saw it in that mini clip. It used red and green LED. This actually has 8 different colors of LED that all do different things. I'm pulling up my notes because I never remember what they do. But it's purple, white, green, orange, blue, cyan, yellow, and red. Now, the one thing I will say, at first I was a little apprehensive about using the app because do I really want to pull out an app every time I use a mask? But honestly, it is so nice to have that little like calming talk through voice of, now we're doing this, it's gonna warm up, now it's tingling. I loved that, and I thought it was really cool because when you scan the mask that you're using, it does kind of change what happens, obviously, because it's a different kind of mask. So the different lights or the different technological pulsations are going to change a little bit what the mask is doing, because again, the green LED, which is calming and soothing the skin, is something I really want in the morning, whereas at night I would rather something that might be a little bit more for anti-aging, like a red light might be. Now, again, I do not use this every single night. I actually have found I like it every other day, and I don't use the day every other day. So like today I used the day mask just now, and then tomorrow I probably won't use the mask, and the following day I'll use the night mask. I do like to take a day in between, partially just because I feel like if it was up to me, I would use it every single day, no exceptions, because my skin feels so nice after I use it. But I do really want to make sure that I'm giving my skin time to adjust to it. I also don't feel like this is something I would want to do every single day because it's like a moment. That being said, I give it a week, and you guys know I'll be up to using it every single day just because I like taking that time for me. That being said, the 7-pack is $10 or it's $9.99. So if you're doing 2 a day every day, that's $20 a week. To me, that's a little excessive. So I find that I get the same benefits whether I use it every single day or if I mix it up in between. That being said, I do find that I like the daytime one because it is so invigorating, but the night one is just its own vibe for getting your skin really centered, and like, I just feel so good going to bed after I've used the night mask. Now, I am pulling up my notes because I don't want to miss anything. But the mask treatment uses the hyperinfusion technology, which is the heating, the cooling, and the pulsations that I already talked about. It has a thermotherapy mode, which preps the skin to enhance for absorption, which after the red light changed to green light, that was the absorption. It even went over that in the demo, that it was prepping my skin to be able to receive the benefits and then actually pushing those benefits into my skin. The T pulsation we talked about stimulates microcirculation. Again, I've spoken about that in past videos using that vibration or a derma roller, just because not derma roller, I'm sorry, that's like microneedling. The roller tools, because it does help to break apart any congestion and help with stimulating the blood flow. And then the cryotherapy or the temperature is going to lift and firm the skin and also, again, help to minimize the appearance of pores depending on if it's cold versus hot. Now, the UFO 2 does retail for $279. Does sound pretty steep, but I was doing the math. One-time investment of the $279 and 7 applications of mask for $10. And then you can just keep getting the $10 masks over and over and over, and you get a multitude of different masks. I'm going to use Glam Glow, for example, because I've been using their Super Mud for years. That mask retails for $69 or $59. It's either $60 or $70, and I tend to get about 7 applications out of a jar, if that. So after a one-time investment and then jumping into these kind of masks, it is going to end up being a little more financially conservative. Again, it is a little bit of a larger upfront investment, but that being said, I am in love with this. Again, I've gotten so many compliments on my skin lately, and you guys can see I have a little bit of a redness here. I was outside in the sun yesterday, and I posted a video a couple weeks ago, which I will link up here, talking about where I got some severe sunburn and what I had to do to maintain my skin. After that video is when I started using this product to help rehydrate, soothe, and I had a little bit of peeling on my shoulders, I had a little bit of peeling behind my ears, but this was helpful in making sure that I really was only peeling for about a day on my face, and after that, my face was like, nope, moisture, we're good. So, let me know down below what you guys think. What are your current favorite masks? What do you guys like to do? Because I've done full videos on masks, which again, I will link up here. But today I wanted to talk to you guys about something a little bit more special, because ever since I got this, like every single night, it sits right in my bathroom, right on display. And you guys know, normally I'm about pink, but I love this blue. So once again, if you guys have any questions, drop them down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!